Loneliness can be as harmful to our health as smoking 15 cigarettes a day. 1.9 million older people in the UK feel ignored or invisible. We need to change this. Twofold is a UK-based charity that brings together people of all ages and backgrounds who are affected by loneliness to share stories and meet like-minded individuals while completing paper-based activities and workshops. The Japanese word origami is a combination of the words ori, which means to fold, and kami, which means paper. The crane represents good fortune and longevity and is referred to as the bird of happiness. It has become a symbol for hope and healing during difficult times. This symbolism of the bird healing is recognised in our motivations to complete paper folding in groups to reduce the impact loneliness has on people around the UK. We are using these traditions for Design for Change. Twofold has been created through feedback from prototype events held for students, single parents and elderly people over the last year with project partners.
I will definitely come back to this event.
Yeah, it's really, really helpful. Definitely.
It brings the community together. You meet a range of different people from different backgrounds and age groups, which is actually quite nice.
Twofold really helped me when I moved into student halls. It made me feel a lot less lonely.
Our groups meet regularly in venues including student halls, libraries, offices, care homes and community centres. We work with volunteers to build social connections using origami to encourage creativity and to start conversations. Finding or starting events is simple. We have a page on our website which lets you easily search for events in your area and find out more. If you're interested in starting an event of your own, we'll send you information about the training, support and tools that we offer to kickstart your event. For every event, we provide tailor-made publications to meet each group's requirements. We have specific activity packs which are carefully constructed to suit different age groups and abilities. After our events, we encourage participants to share photographs and comments on social media with the hashtag #TwofoldEvents. This helps raise awareness of our charity's work. Another way we plan to raise awareness is through distributing leaflets in community centres, student halls and other areas. Our leaflets, activity packs and social media posts are all based on the square paper traditionally used in origami. We take pride in these design details. Finally, in terms of funding, our inexpensive advertising strategies and low overheads keep our running costs to a minimum. We will be relying on donations from our partners and the public for the events to keep running. We know how damaging loneliness can be to our physical and mental health. Help us to eradicate these issues and drive a positive change for society. Twofold, local events to reduce loneliness.